Hanna House by Navid Nasrollahzadeh in Tehran, Iran. In today's urban life, there's a shift towards residing in apartments disconnected from nature, often sacrificing many qualities of living spaces. Hanna House is an endeavor to create a home that interacts with light and nature despite its small footprint, offering a pleasant living experience to its inhabitants. Initially, a house was designed for the client on a 100 square meter plot with 5 by 20 meters dimensions, located in the densely populated old neighborhood of Dolat Street in Tehran. The design emphasized the vertical arrangement of sections to create spatial and visual diversity. Interestingly, the house even borrowed its name from one of its little inhabitants, a name that resonated with the house's character. The elongated and narrow nature of the plot, along with being surrounded by 3 sides, led to the house distancing itself from the northern neighbor. This allowed more natural light and fresh air to enter the space. Moreover, by incorporating vertical connections at its core, the house optimized the layout of spaces for better access to light. Hanna House skillfully weaves a sense of history into its surface textures, achieving a delightful and captivating atmosphere that harmoniously aligns with the demands of contemporary living and the emotional needs of its residents. As you step into the embrace of this dwelling, the blend of the warm, rustic brick with clean architectural lines promises a cozy and intimate environment. The windows, elegantly understated within the external structure, gracefully showcase the primary materials. The house also uses handcrafted, colorful ceramics and wood to enrich the residential experience and foster a profound connection with cherished memories. An exposed brick wall extending from the lowest level of the house to the brick walls of the roof serves as the foundation for the house's staircase, which has accentuated the connection between the interior and exterior design of the project. The light streaming through the glass ceiling of the staircase adds a play of light and time to the space. The house's light-capturing elements, adorned with brick coverings, open up to 2 terraces and a suspended metal garden. These not only allow light to filter through but also create opportunities for the interior and exterior spaces of the house to connect. The terraces take on unique forms in the facade. 2 metal frames offer access to small outdoor areas, and a more expansive terrace connects the living room with a large nearby plane tree. The kitchen, designed to incorporate a dining area, features elegantly integrated cabinets, their green hue harmonizing with the secluded courtyard's lush greenery. The house blends open, enclosed, and semi-open spaces within its courtyard and rooftop. This combination allows for a diverse range of sensory experiences, particularly on the rooftop, where the movement between these areas is facilitated. The brick surface coverings maintain the unity of the house throughout this transition, while the transparent ceilings and staircase walls seamlessly connect the interior space with the outdoors. In the northern section of the rooftop, a small pool and jacuzzi are present, and they find their privacy with lush plant coverings and wooden walls. The house, open to the light, warmly embraces its surroundings. The arrangement of the windows ensures that the limited interior spaces expand towards the outside through seamless glass, simultaneously providing a platform for exchanging greenery between the interior and exterior. These expansive windows serve for maintenance from their adjacent small terraces and for creating cozy seating nooks through appropriately sized window sills.